Good job.
What letter is that?
G.
G.
Very good.
G.
G.
Put it in the bin.
That's great.
What letter is that? Next.
H.
H.
Good.
H.
Next.
Very nice.
What letter is that?
I.
Very good. Tilt it a little bit so it will go to the bin.
Moving.
It's moving. Okay. It's stuck. Tilt it.
Excellent.
Oh, you can do that. What letter is that?
G.
Louder.
J. J. Good job.
Good job. What letter is that?
K. K.
Can you say K?
A.
Good.
That's great.
Yay, next.
A.
Very good. Very good.
L.
L.
Very good.
L.
Bum.
Very nice.
Very nice. Next. What letter is that?
M.
M.
Very good.
M.